These are yogurt. Yogurt 乳酪啦。乳 means those milk is 乳啦，乳酪 yogurt. And you see coffee. Coffee is 咖啡。Coffee mate we call it we give you a nice name 咖啡伴侶。伴侶 that means your partner. So that means when you make coffee, you must have this coffee mate. So 咖啡伴侶啦。And here you can see other dairy products. The milk, 牛奶啦 milk. So here you can see the word almond. Almond 就係杏仁啊。That means the milk has added some almonds. I don't know the percentage, but you call it almond milk. That means almond should have been added. So just milk we call it 牛奶. So low fat milk. Fat means 脂肪啦。Low 就 means 低啦，低脂肪。牛奶啦，and then we can shorten it into 低脂奶啦，脂貨脂肪，奶貨牛奶，所以低脂奶啦 ，low fat milk。reduce means 降低啦，減低啦。That means the fat ratio it has been reduced, lowered. So whether the low fat milk has a lower fat or reduced fat has lower fat. I don't know that. Okay, but different name. So you see all dairy products, different kinds of dairy products. And those are the fruit juice. Fruit 就係生果啦，或水果啦。Juice 咧就係汁啦。So fruit juice 果汁 ，different kind of fruit juices，OK 果汁啦。